Hi guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But this episode is all about more cool car tech. So this is the 2023 Alfa Romeo Stelvio, and naturally, it comes with a key fob. A lot of cars, most cars do these days. But what do you do when you're in the middle of nowhere, no help, no dealership, no one to call who has an extra key fob for you because your battery has died? How do you get into your vehicle? How do you start it? Well, check this out. On the back of your key fob, slide off the cover, you'll find an emergency key. Pull that out. Now, this will help you to unlock your door so at least you can get in. So unlock the door. Pretty easy. Get in, and now I'm gonna show you the next trick, which is real cool. So now you're inside your Stelvio, but you still have to start the vehicle. So this step is pretty important. Take your key fob, open up the center console, look for the Alfa Romeo key fob symbol. Place your key fob on top of it. Shut your center console, foot on brake, push the start button. Now you're good to go. Guys, if you want to see the full review of the 2023 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Extrema, check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys.